Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check an app memory usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on developer options. Now in developer options, click on memory and here it will show you the memory usage. So now tap on memory usage to check an app memory usage. Now from here you can check the memory usage of last 3 hours, last 6 hours, last 12 hours or the previous day. And after selecting the time period, from here you can open the app in which you want to check the app memory usage. So if you want to check the app memory usage of gallery app, then tap on gallery and here it will show you the details of memory usage by the gallery app. So that's how you can check an app memory usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.